Hi children, in this section I will tell you about how to make a fraction into its lowest term. So here I have a fraction 18 by 30. So you all know 30 is the new denominator and 18 is the numerator. So I need to make this fraction into its lowest term. That means when I make this fraction into its lowest term, its denominator and numerator should have the common factor as 1. That is the condition. So I will tell you how to do it. So here, to convert this into lowest term, I need to find the HCF of 18 and 30. So to find HCF of 13 and 18, 30 and 18, I have done prime factorization method over here. So this already you people know how to do it. So finally, I found the HCF of 18 and 30, that is 6. Now using this HCF, I am going to divide the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so when I divide 18 by divided by 6 and 30 divided by 6. So when I divide 18 by 6, I get my answer as 3 and 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now look at this. This is the lowest term of the fraction 18 by 30. Why should I say this is the lowest term? That is, if you check the numerator and denominator, its common factor will be 1. Just check. 3 is a prime number. So the factors of 3 will be 1 and 3, right? And 5 is also a prime number. So the factors of 5 is also 1 and 5. Find out the common factor of 3 and 5. Yes, 1. Right? So here the common factor of 3 and 5 is 1. No other numbers you can take to divide this number to make to its lowest term. So this is the lowest term of the number of the fraction 18 by 30. Now here one more example for you. The next fraction is 16 by 24. So this I need to convert it into its lowest term. So I have done the prime factorization of 16 and 24. So I received the HCF of 16 and 24 as 8. So as I said, my next step is I need to divide the numerator and denominator by 8. That is the HCF. So 16 divided by 8, I get my answer as 2. And 24 divided by 8, I get my answer as 3. So the lowest term of 16 by 24 is 2 by 3. Okay. Now these examples are from your content book, exercise 6b. Already in the first question, they have found the HCF and they are asking you to divide it and find the lowest term. In the second question, they are asking you to reduce into the lowest term. For that, we need to find the HCF. So that examples I will show you now. Okay, look at the first question in that. This is question number 2, question in that first question. Okay, 2 by 6. So I need to find out what is the HCF of 2 and 6. So 6 is 3 into 2 and 2 is equal to 1 into 2. So the HCF can be 2 for this. So next step is I need to divide this by the HCF. So 2 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the lowest term of this fraction is 1 by 3. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So here the next big question is 4 by 8. So when you write the prime numbers of 4, it is 2 into 2, we can express 4 as, and 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2. This is how we can express as the product of prime numbers. So from this, when we find the HCF, it is again we have 2 into 2 and HCF is equal to 4. Okay. Then, so we found the HCF. So as I said, divide the fraction, divide the numerator and denominator using the HCF. So 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4 it becomes, right? So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 8 divided by 4 is 2, right? So the lowest term of 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Now look at the next. This is the G question from second one, okay? So here we have 12 and 15. So here I have done prime factorization for 12 and 15 and I have found the HCF of 12 and 15. Now as a next step, I have to divide 12 by 3 and then 15 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3, what do you get? 4. And 15 divided by 3, what do you get? 5. So my lowest term of 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. Okay, so this is how we convert fractions to its lowest term. Now here you have few homework questions. Reduce the following to their lowest term. These are the 5 questions you have to complete. So before you complete this, the example problems whatever I have explained now, using the steps of prime factorization or whatever it is, how I found HCF, everything, copy that into your classwork first. Then you have to complete the homework questions. And if you look into the same exercise, exercise 6b, question number 1 and question number 3 you can complete in your content book. Question number 2 only I have explained now. Now the explained questions you have to first copy down into your classwork neatly, and then the homework question complete it in your classwork. Thank you, children.